This kid needs a nap. Oh my God, always with crazy hair. What is up? Today, hopefully, is the day I drive this thing. We just pushed that inside from outside where it's raining. We threw the shit car on essentially mobile jacks, I guess. I don't know, wheel dollies. So, I'm gonna replace the clutch slave cylinder. Hopefully that fixes my bleeding issue. And then I can bleed it, I can drive it, and I'll go rip it in the rain. We'll have some fun. But, also switch it around. I also got the, that's the clutch. I also got the brake master cylinder. So I'll probably wind up changing that as well because it is leaking. I'm not gonna, probably won't be able to see it because there's no light. You can kind of see some liquid right there. Are you taking pictures of your car?
I'm thinking.
Okay, he's thinking. But this is a Mustang. It's his now. He's probably gonna pull the seats off it. I don't know what he's gonna do. But we gotta, that one needs the, oh, hold on. It's foggy. It's foggy. There you go. This one we got to pull the rear tires off, probably disconnect the brakes, or find a way to free up the e-brake that's causing the tires not to go. We also got to jack it up a little more, put it on jack stands to be safe. There's a black chair if you need it to sit. You tell me what you need. Power tools are in there. My impact gun is somewhere. Yeah. All right, so this was easy. 2 bolts, 1, 2, inside the car. Supposedly everyone tells me it's easy. I gotta push this forward a little bit so I can get in here, not hit the Cobra. Hey, look, we're seeing doubles. Twinsies. Except 5046 over yonder way. But yeah, that one I gotta do timing on, so whatever. His just needs a tune-up for now. All right, anyways, 2 minutes and 30 seconds of rambling. Let's get on with the show, baby. First issue of the Mustang. Yes, it has wheel locks. We don't know if there's a wheel lock. I might have to get, if we can't find a wheel lock, I'll get the air hammer. And we'll just hammer it off, is what, because I got to do that with that car anyway. Yeah. Oh, I have a small hand. Take my small hand. Oh no. Oh no. It was the weirdest view. I don't know. I'm a weirdo. Leave me alone. I also can't properly and accurately describe what I'm doing and or parts, because I've noticed on a lot of my videos, I completely say the wrong words. Like I said, that was a gas canister. Went to gas tank. And then, I don't know. I've just noticed I say a lot of wrong things. But I can't think, film. I have ADHD, so I have to like fucking do one thing at a time. Either way. See? I'm talking and I'm not doing this. Up.
That's a smart guy leaving that inside there.
Yes, sir. Alright, well, good news. He found the wheel lock. One less thing. Hey, this is a cool view. That Mustang looks pretty badass right now. Can we put my ghetto rims on it? It's the rims Peter had on 350.
What ghetto rims?
The 350 wheels.
I'm leaving it stuck till it's running.
You're lame. Anyways, we found the bolts. They are right there. Right by the clutch, go figure. Yeah, so we'll take those 2 off. One over yonder way, one over yonder way. Pop those 2 off. Pop that off. Then I will pop the clutch, or the clutch cable off, because this cable's got it, or this hose, oh, where is it? This clutch line has to come off, and then the new one goes on. It looks like all I need is the top half of it, which is an 8 or a 10, like a normal brake line, and then throw this one on. So there's that, there is that. What do you need? You need an impact gun?
There's like no rust.
There is no rust. I mean, minus this. Might as well have a carbon fiber.
This is plastic.
I'm gonna get my sander. We'll just sand everything down.
No problem.
All right. Anyways. Anyone curious on the H2, it is getting the intercooler done. Still waiting on the swing arm. I have the wheel. I have the tire hugger. Of course, in carbon fiber. There you go. So there's all that. Once that's done, I still got to get the tuner for it. Oh, I got the Turbo Smart blow-off valve for it. But yeah, I still got to get the extended swing arms coming in. I guess another 10 weeks. That's 20 weeks total. Intercooler should be done, I don't know, within the next 2 weeks. So that'll be done. That'll be done. Then I got to get supercharged gears, the full tuner, and there was one more thing I forgot. Oh, the upgraded fuel tank or fuel pump for that. So those 3 things, and then she'll be ready to go. I can rip it. But I've been driving the Honda. I love the Honda. So sexy. Look at the carbon fiber. Oh, the carbon fiber. But yeah, so I've been driving this thing. I love it. I need to take this thing out and see if it's still overheating. We'll see what happens. I need this. And let's go. All right, both the 12s are off. Both of these. Oh yeah, every time I'm around this light, every time I'm around that light, it glitches. But yeah, so you got it, boss man. Give me a second. So this doesn't come out. Unscrewed it. I'll unscrew the new one. Put that one in. Hopefully I don't kink any lines and destroy it. But I can't get it. I give up. I did it that way, which was actually easier. And yeah. So all right. You want me to pull the e-brake? Oh God. Oh Jeebus. Ready? It moves? Alright, so brakes are probably just lock rusted. Well, that's a good sign. I'll let you do the interior. Should probably put it on jack stands because it's literally held on by the diff. And keeps moving.
Where's the jack stands?
There's one over there. One over there. Just find them. They're oh, hold on. He put them. Oh, here. They're all down there. Hold on. Let me get that weird arm angle. Right there, brother. Right there behind my pump for oil changes. It is in. It is in. And actually, I don't need to do that. But the clutch kind of just sprung back up like it should be. It didn't sit down there. So we're good. Now we just got to bleed it and hopefully it holds. All right, so with that out of the way, we put new fluid in. We got our manual bleeder. So we'll crack that open. We'll bleed it. Hopefully it's good to go. Once we stop seeing air, I think that's all the old fluid from last time. Well, hopefully we get this done and the clutch will be good to go. I think I'm gonna save the brake master cylinder for now because it's still good. Now, honestly, I don't want to toy with those hoses because, as you can see on this one, it's just they're not moving. I might have to let them sit for a good while and anti-seize it or throw some penetrating oil on there for 24 hours and let it eat. But we'll see what happens. We got bubbles. All right, so we're gonna let that bleed, let the bubbles go into our canister, and hopefully we have clutch pressure again. But it's actually doing really good. It's a lot of bubbles, but hopefully we get something out of it. Would you like to repeat that, sir?
No. Okay. Never mind. I'm not saying anything.
He's wondering why the rear is locked up. I told him because it's in park. It's rear-wheel drive. So now he's going to throw it in neutral and see if he can get it to spin. You might need power, though, because...
Okay, try it.
No, it's still locked up. Oh, that's shitty. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a clutch. Oh, and it is nice and tight like a twig. So, that's bled. I kept bleeding it till... Oh, let's try doing that. I kept bleeding it until it got clean in here. So that's all the old brake clutch fluid. You can see some of the cleaner, newer stuff. But new clutch fluid. We're fucking golden. All right. We're trying to decode that Mustang tire. And then we'll... Oh, I still got brake fluid in there. All right, and then we'll probably push that out, and I'll give this thing a rip, and we'll see how it goes. So, without further ado, I did it again. Anyways, corniness over. You figured it out?
Should be right here, but it's not there.
Yeah, exactly. Check the other tires. Yeah, she's still smoking. That means it hasn't been ran in a while. Well, she runs. I got another check engine light. Hopefully it's nothing too serious. I got to bleed the brakes. I didn't have brakes, so that was fun. But she runs, she drives, she shifts. Yeah, this car is fun. It's got no balls, but it's fun. It actually slides really nicely, especially in the rain. Oh, the wet weather. Yeah, this car's sexy. All right. That is all. Thanks for watching. This guy. All right. Thanks for watching. Thanks for, I don't know, whatever. You do you. My hair's not as crazy. Talk to you later. Peace.